Bum, 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 bum. Welcome back to another episode of How To with 137 Adventures. Today's video, we're going to be installing the Core Trax system on the decked system. Okay, we have a 2021 Ram TRX. One thing already I like is the fact that they powder coated this. Sweet, straightforward. Oh, who needs instructions anyways? Actually, I need those. So you're gonna need a drill bit, a 1/2-inch drill stop, I don't have. You're also gonna need a 5/32 drill bit, and then a number 3 Phillips screwdriver for yourself. That was not planned. Oh, see, that's what happens when you mess around. Let's get to the install. We are handheld now, and we're going underneath. These little rails right here are what you're going to be tapping into, and they are perfectly marked right there. Alright, so you got a little indentation to tell you where to drill into. There's two ways that you can mount this. It's just preference. You can either do nearest to the cab, which it goes all the way to the front, or you can go nearest to the back of the tailgate and line it up there. It's just preference. It's really where you want it to be.
Once you decide, place the tracks on top of the deck system and line it up with the pre-marked spots. Use your 5/32 drill bit to drill through the track, but be cautious not to drill through both sides of the tracks.
Oh, my drill bit. Are you kidding me? My drill bit broke.
Once all of your pilot holes are drilled, switch over to your number 3 Phillips bit and secure the track by using the self-tapping screws that are provided. Repeat these steps for both sides. Now grab your 4 locking tie downs, insert them into the track, and you're all set.
By the way, the drill bits from Harbor Freight, garbage. Garbage. G-A-R-B-I-T-C-H. Garbage. And that is how you install your Core Trax on your deck system. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more Ram TRX content. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, come on, baby. Thread. Oh, no. Okay. This is getting ridiculous. You son of a buck. No! Back here. Where'd my bolt go? Garbage.